What's up, guys? Hey, Barbies and Kens, and welcome back to my channel, our channel. If you're new here, my name is Gab, and I like to put out random videos of my everyday life. And today, we are going to be reviewing none other than the limited edition for summer 2019 Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette and hand mirrors. So I got the 24 color palette and then the matching hand mirror to go with it. I figured we would open this up and see what it's all about. This is my first Jeffree Star product that I've ever gotten, so I've heard really high standards about it. So we're gonna open it up, put some on me, test some on my arm, and see the pigments and if they're really what everybody's saying they are. So if you guys like videos like this, please thumbs up, subscribe down below, and become a Barbie or a Ken, and let's get into this video. So when you open up the box, this palette is on top, and then underneath they have the hand mirror. So I figured we'll open up the hand mirror first, since it's just in this box and we can use it to do our eyeshadow and then our makeup. So when we open up this, it's in a pink foam when you open up the box, and the hand mirror is right here. This is my first Jeffree Star hand mirror. I'm really excited. I've always just wanted the bubblegum pink, but I love the whole Jawbreaker theme, so I figured I would just get the pink one to go with my palette. So that's what this looks like, and I don't want to blind you guys. But there you go. Okay, and this is what I'm sure everybody's waiting to see. So this is the Jawbreaker palette. So it's very shiny and holographic on the front, has the lettering. It has on the back Jeffree's YouTube, his Instagram, and then when you open it up, that is all of the colors, and they are so bright and shimmery and pigmented. So we're gonna go through each color and swatch them out, and then I want to do a little bit of messing around with it on my eyes and see really how pigmented these can be. So we're gonna start off in the palette with the first color, which is Virgin, and it's like this creamy kind of offset white, and it's so pretty. So I'm gonna swatch it onto my arm for you. To me, this color is perfect for a base color when you're starting out something on your lid. So I think that's what I'm gonna use it for right now. By the way, if you hear this noise in the background, that's what it is. These little animals dancing around. So first glance, I think the white went on really nice onto my eye. The next one on here is Good Morning, and I want to say it's like a kind of maybe shell color. It has like a light, like even like a skin tone base of a peach to it. It's very pretty, very subtle. Up next in the palette, we have the Bubblegum Pink, which is so pretty. It's like the perfect colored pink. So I'm gonna swatch that on to my hand, and we can look at that. Yeah, it's like, I actually want to put this, I think, maybe on my cheeks. So there is the bubblegum color, and here's the swatch of it. And like I said, it's very true to what it's showing. It's very bubblegummy, very pink. The next color I'm going to be testing is Wow, which is this just bright, beautiful yellow. I love it. It's like a lemon yellow. I feel like sometimes I like slur, I can't talk right. It's just very, I feel like it's just going to be a pop of color, so I'm just going to lightly swatch my finger over it, and yeah, oh my god. Next to that pink though, that would be such a fun look. Next is Suck, which kind of looks like my hair, which is really funny. Like a, wow, my god, is that pigmented? Like an orange. Oh my goodness. Wow. These colors are going to be so fun to do, like a neon rainbow in the summer. My next color up on the palette is Licorice, and it looks like a candy licorice. It's blood red. Look at that red. Oh my god. It's like blood red. Cute. Looks like my shirt that I'm wearing today, and it is this really pretty teal, and I'm gonna put it right next to the yellow, and oh my goodness, there's a freaking rainbow on the side of my hand. I want to do a rainbow look today. I think that's what's gonna happen then at the end of this video, or maybe I'll do like a part 2 of this video, and you'll see the next video of my like crazy makeup. But this is gorgeous. It kind of on my hand next to the yellow looks like a green, or like a Lucky Charms green, but it's so pretty. My next color to show you is Fuck, and it looks like, again, my hair, but a little bit more of like the orange color that my hair is right now. And I have it next to the red. As you can see, it really does blend in, but it's a beautiful shade, I think, to add in with other reds, and even if I wanted to do like a neon rainbow. So a purple one that we have here is Gumdrop. The next color in this palette is Gumdrop, and it's kind of like a plum purple, I would say. I'm gonna put it right next to the last one in the rainbow, and I really can't complain about any of these colors because every single one I've swatched literally makes me want to put rainbows onto my eyes because of how pigmented they are. And it's definitely, you're getting your quality of the product. It's Snack is the next one, and it's more of like a very shimmery pink, kind of even like a pink color, I would say, salmon. And I just put it next to the purple, and I really like this color just to even begin with. Brain Freeze is the perfect pastel blue, which is right here. I'm going to put it right next to that green. And I feel like if you were doing a rainbow look, that is the color you would want to fit. Next one in the palette is Jawbreaker, which is the name of the palette. And I'm going to put it on the end of where the other shimmery pink was, because this is a very shimmery mermaid color in my opinion. So there's Jawbreaker, and here's Jawbreaker next to the pink, and oh my gosh, the purple, the pink, and the white together is so, I love it so much. It's very kawaii and pretty. So the next one is called And White, which is so funny to me. I think it's very similar to Licorice, but has a shimmer in. So there's And What, and then there's And What On, and it's, like I said, very shimmery and red, true to what it looks like. By the way, sorry that my nails are really busted. If you're new to my channel and you're just watching this palette review, I have celiac disease, and it's like busting my nail beds down and my cuticles, and so I apologize. They look like shit. I just let them go because I don't want to deal with it anymore and like make them worse and thin and all that jazz. But the next one in the palette is so pretty. It's Orange Juice, and I can't wait to see what this looks like. That was just one swipe of my finger. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's like a burnt orange. The next one in the palette is Sour, and Sour is a very like green color. I don't know, like earthy. Ooh, this is even perfect for a rainbow. Oh, sun's setting. No. Come on. Come back out, sun. Come back out. So the next color in the palette we're going to go over is Soaked, and it is like cobalt blue. It's not like, it is a cobalt blue. This one is called Raspberry, and it is dark. So there's Raspberry in the palette, and then it kind of mixed it by accident with the blue and made this really pretty purple, so I'm not mad. It looks like a very cool rainbow. Cotton Candy looks like one that I'm going to wear out in the summer. It is this gorgeous, very shimmery pink. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go insane. It's a very fuchsia pink, shimmery. I love it. It's very pretty. This one at the bottom is Lemon Drop, and it kind of reminds me of Wow, but just having a shimmer into it. There's just so many combinations of colors that come in this palette that there's so many different looks that you could do, and I feel like you could definitely push this into other seasons rather it just be a summer palette, which is always nice. So right here is Bite Me, and it is just shimmery. Oh my goodness, like very dark purple, so pretty. This one right on the bottom is Cherry Wet, and I'm really interested to see what it's going to look like compared to the other reds in this palette. So there's Cherry Wet in the palette, there it is on my swatched finger, and there it is with the rainbow colors. So I love all the different shades kind of too that he gave of different colors. I think he just, everything that was put in here I think just works together really nice, and there was time put into it. So there is a Cocoa Chocolate Brown, which is Tasty, and that's on the bottom, kind of looks like chocolate. So there's Tasty in the palette, and then there's Tasty on my finger. And as you can see, it's very metallic-y. Goes with any of the colors you see here. So for the last two, we have Cone, which reminds me of definitely an ice cream. There's Cone in the palette, and then there's Cone on my finger right there. Like a very light orange, peachy color. The last color in the palette is Delicious. And it is a step up from the cobalt blue. It's just, oh my god, I wouldn't even know. Like a navy. Like, yeah, actually, no, that's what we're calling it. Yeah, this is navy. And it is so pretty. This, I feel like, would make such a cool smoky eye with other colors with it. So, now that I swatched these all for you, I kind of want to play around, see what I get. And then definitely there will be a part 2 of this on the look that I end up making. But hold that thought and I'll be right back.